Keep it off.
I got you. I see you.
You're an asshole.
No, I'm not. Give me a kiss. Kiss. Hey! Kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Come on, babe.
Get out of here.
We don't have pictures of us together.
No.
Have a kiss.
No.
Come here.
No.
Why?
I know better.
Why? Oh, you can record me, but I can't record you?
Right.
What?
Right.
Have a kiss.
No.
Kiss, kiss, kiss. Yeah! I got you.
I didn't kiss you.
I kissed you. Baby! We don't have any pictures together. Do you love me?
Mm-hmm.
What? Say it louder.
No.
You don't love me? You don't love me?
Ah, that is great.
You don't love me? Huh?
Just because you're asking now.
Yeah. Baby. Oh, you can sit there and make videos of me, huh? What are those pictures of? Huh?
Get out of here.
Wait, why do you have 23 videos?
Strippers upstairs.
What?
Get out of here.
No, what did you say? Ow, that's my boob. Ow. What did you say? Okay, if I stop recording, will you be nice? What?
Piss me off.
Oh, it's okay for you to piss me off, but I can't piss you off. Huh? Have a kiss. Peter. You're a pervert. You're such a pervert. Hi, honey. Okay, honey, I'll stop recording if you give me a kiss.
Okay.
Okay? Stop recording. First, no, you stop recording, and then I'll stop recording, and then you give me a kiss. Deal?
No.
Well, my battery's going down anyway, so. Hi, baby. Hey! Okay, have a kiss. Give me a kiss. Ew! Ow. Hi, baby, no! You're a pervert. I love you. Like my shoes.
Let's say it.
My baby's sexy body. Sexy, sexy. Baby. Say I love you. Can I have a kiss? Please. Honey. Hey, kiss.
Oh.
Babe! Why don't you want people to know we're together or something? Okay, I'll stop recording if you stop. Fine, I'll stop.